If you are new to wearing wigs, you may find yourself facing many questions about wearing and caring for them. To help you get past this learning curve, I prepared 6 common wig mistakes beginner makes so you can avoid them and get the best out of your hair system. Number 1. Wearing the wrong color wig cap or base. This can be a big blunder on your part, even if you've otherwise installed your human hair wig correctly. That's because the wrong wig cap color that isn't the same color or close to your natural scalp color will make it very obvious that you're wearing a hair system. Of course, sometimes you don't need to wear a wig cap along with your wig. Number 2. Wearing the wrong size. It's extremely important that you know the size of your head so that your purchased wig matches it completely. Wearing a wrongly sized wig will not only look unnatural and lead to questions about whether you're wearing a wig, but can lead to your wig slipping, discomfort, and even headaches. If you don't know how to measure your head size, take a look at this video. Number 3. Not securing the wig properly. It may surprise you how many people have installed wigs on their own and believe it to be secure when it's far from the case, because they are using the wrong adhesive to apply their wigs, or their method of attachment is just not enough to secure it. If you want to know how to secure your wig with the different techniques, you can take a look at our blog in the description down below. Number 4. Not making your natural hair flat enough. It's not enough to simply tie your hair up into a ponytail or bun if you're putting a wig on top. Your hair will still be visible under your wig if it's not flat enough, will defeat the purpose of wearing a wig in the first place. Instead, look to braid your hair in cornrows for the best results. Number 5. Sleeping with your wig on. It is not advisable to sleep with the wig on. This is due to the amount of hair a wig carries, as tossing and turning in your sleep can only lead to your hair shedding. If you feel you must absolutely have to sleep in a wig, you should consider a silk bonnet or a satin pillowcase. Number 6. Not using shampoo or conditioner specifically designed for wigs. Regular shampoo or conditioner should not be used on wigs. This is because the chemicals could affect the hair as well as the base. For example, most shampoos strip natural oils from the hair, which can cause that hair on a wig to dry out faster. Always look for products that are designed for wigs. If this vlog was useful, give us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in more information on our hair care products or wigs, head over to www.superhairpieces.com. Thank you for watching.